Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade jelly. We will begin by gathering all necessary ingredients and equipment, including fresh fruit, sugar, pectin, and canning supplies. Next, prepare your chosen fruit by washing it thoroughly, then crushing or juicing it according to your recipe. Finally, sterilize your canning jars and lids to ensure a safe and long-lasting product. This foundational preparation is crucial for delicious, homemade jelly. Now let's cook our jelly mixture. In a large, heavy-bottomed pot, combine your prepared fruit juice, the specified amount of sugar, and the pectin. Stir these ingredients together thoroughly. Bring the mixture to a vigorous, rolling boil that cannot be stirred down, stirring constantly to prevent scorching. Maintain this rolling boil for exactly 1 minute, then promptly remove the pot from the heat. This precise timing ensures proper gelling. With your jelly cooked, it's time to fill the jars. Carefully ladle the hot jelly into your sterilized jars, making sure to leave precisely 1/4 inch of headspace at the top of each jar. This space is vital for proper sealing. Next, wipe the rims of the jars clean with a damp cloth to remove any drips or residue. Center a new, unused lid on top of each jar, then securely tighten the screw bands until they are finger tight. Do not over-tighten. For safe preservation, process your filled jars in a boiling water canner for 10 minutes. After processing, carefully remove the hot jars and place them on a towel to cool undisturbed for 12 to 24 hours. Do not touch them during this time. Once cooled, check that all jars have sealed properly. Store your perfectly sealed homemade jelly in a cool, dark place where it will maintain its quality for up to 1 year.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.